Hello, my name is Avantika Hazarika. I'm doing my diploma in 3D animation and VFX here in Octa Animation Multimedia, Jayanagar Center, Guwahati. Ever since I was a little girl, I really loved Disney. I have always wondered how these drawings were moving so smoothly and realistically. I found it really fascinating how these drawings come to life through animation. After watching so many animations throughout my life, it suddenly hit me. I realized I still want to be an animator. So I did what anybody would do. I researched and found Octa Animation Multimedia, which was in my town, providing animation and VFX courses and advanced curriculum. So I visited them, had their counseling and gym class and everything, which was very satisfying. In here, I got the quality I was looking for. After seeing their work, I'm so blown away. They have these amazing models and animations to look at, which will surely blow your mind as well. And the faculty are very skilled and cooperative. So, if you're seeking for the quality education, affordability, production quality, with scholarships, Octa Animation Multimedia is the place where you can begin your journey of success.